Hi everyone. I am here with one interesting logic to find the LCM of an array of numbers. So for this one, I am going to use math.gcd function. Okay, so first I will let you know how this LCM is to be computed for two numbers. Then we can extend this logic to find LCM of an array of numbers. So for this one, first I will import math module. Then let me write a function. The name of the function is LCM2 a comma b, two numbers a b, and the relationship between LCM and GCD is LCM equal to product of the numbers divided by GCD, math.gcd of a comma b. Okay, now return this LCM2. That's all. In driver code, let me call this function print LCM2 of the numbers 2, 4. What is the expected output for this one? 4. Yes, we have got it. Now let us extend this logic to find the LCM of an array of numbers. For this also I will be exploiting the function math.gcd. Math, then let me write a function LCM of array, and let me call that array as A. I need not pass the length of the array. Why? Because we can use len function to find the length of the array. If required, we can pass it. Initially, I will assume len LCM equal to A of 0. That means we cannot find LCM of all the numbers at once, and we have to do this in a gradual manner. First, I will find LCM of first number and second number. Then the result of that number will be considered, and then we will find the LCM of the result and the third number. Next, LCM of the result and fourth number. Like that, we will be computing LCMs gradually. Okay, so for that reason, initially I am assuming LCM to A of 0. Now I will run a for loop through this array A and considering range from 1 to n. N is nothing but len of A. Got it? Now, LCM equal to LCM multiplied by what is the current number? A of 1. That is, I will be 1 divided by math.gcd of these numbers. LCM is the partial result. LCM comma A of I. So likewise, if once this for loop is completed, the whole LCM will be available in LCM. Now return this LCM. Got it? Now let me consider one array A. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I will print LCM of array of A. Okay. So what should be the LCM we should get? Least common multiple of this one, of all these things. Well, let me run this. What is the output I have got? 120. Yes. So this is the way to find LCM of an array of numbers with the help of math.gcd function. Okay. I hope you understood the content. If you understood the content, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.